Yeah, it actually, the research would suggest that that's not the case, kind of to my surprise. There's very little correlation between how self-compassionate people are and how compassionate people are to others. So in other words, there are many, many people who are very kind and compassionate to others, caring people, but very hard on themselves, uncompassionate to themselves. So it's not the case that you have to be self-compassionate in order to be compassionate to others. And there's also strange age differences. As you get older, there's more of a link between how you treat yourself and how you treat others. And at younger ages, college undergraduates, there's no relationship between how you treat yourself and others. So I kind of interpret that as maybe as you get more experience, you get more of a sense of common humanity. The research does show, though, that self-compassion helps you sustain compassion for others. So people who have self-compassion are much less likely to suffer from burnout or compassion fatigue. So it's like if you fill up your own resources with self-compassion, you have more to give. But there's a lot of people, very kind, caring, compassionate people, who are just burnt out. But, I would hate to say that if you're a nurse who's very loving and caring, but that you're hard on yourself, that you can't really be compassionate because you're hard on yourself. So it's kind of a complicated relationship. We need a lot more research to figure out what's happening.
And the correlation in with elderly people and how you treat yourself and others, will that be that you're more kind to yourself and to others when you're older?
We haven't looked at that among elderly people. That'd be very interesting.
But the difference between, in age, there were differences, you said?
Yes, so age moderates the link between how you treat yourself and others. It'd be very interesting to find a sample elderly people, though. You would think with wisdom comes this idea that, myself and others are not so different and we all deserve to be treated with compassion. But young people don't seem to get that message at all.